Hello friends. Well, today we are going to see how to change YouTube channel picture and add banner image using your computer. Please consider subscribing. Let's open up our browser and search youtube.com. This is before we customize. Then go to YouTube Studio. Click Customization. Click on Branding. Choose the image that you want. Click on Upload to add banner image. Here use the image size 1025*576 pixels. Publish and see how it turns out to be after uploading banner image. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share, subscribe, and let me know if it worked for you in comment section.